Hi guys, I'm so glad you opened this video today. I received big package from Aylara Stories and I thought it will be crime not to do unboxing with, of course, try on. Let's unbox this big package and see what is inside, because even though I ordered it just a week ago, I totally forgot what is inside. So it will be also a surprise for me. Let's start. Item number 1 is this oversized crop blazer. Quite interesting, I would say. I don't have any cropped blazers and I was very skeptical about it, but it perfect fits. The size is 34, extra small. When I was ordering this stuff, it was quite cold outside. We had like 15 degrees and today is almost 30. So I'm not sure when I will be able to wear this blazer, but it definitely deserves the attention. I like it. Not sure I will keep it, but I like the pattern, you know. Normally I would buy something monocolor without any pattern, but this quite nice and actually perfectly fits this outfit. And number 2 is this very romantic blouse in Victorian style with the puffy sleeves and the fit. Oh my god, I'm totally in love. It makes body look so nice. I was really hesitating when I was ordering it because it's quite unusual and I was not sure with what I could wear it, but now I'm totally in love. And next one is this cute yellow dress. I love dresses in this I love such design of dress. This dress is just perfect for summer. First of all, color, so summery. What if not yellow is the color of summer? And also material. I'm sure you won't feel hot even if your weather is plus 60. Oh my god, it would be crazy, but yeah. Dress number next. Just look at this color. I mean, it's so undescribable. I love this mint green color, and especially in summer. I like the dress. It's very thin. Again, you won't feel hot in it. The only disadvantage of this dress is its price. In my opinion, it's a bit overpriced for such material and design. It should cost cheaper, but Aylara Story by itself a bit cost, so it's your choice whether buy it or not. But they have really cute items, and this dress reminds me of 80s or 90s. And the last stunning dress. Just look at it. I mean, Aylara Stories this time, I love every item of this purchase. And this is a bit sad because I wasn't planning to keep all the items. I thought to keep just one dress. Now I'm so confused which one of 3 of them to keep. Please let me know in comments which dress do you think I should keep. I really love this dress, but it's a bit more formal, you know. If someone of my friends were getting married or I had birthday, I would wear this dress. But for every day, I'm not sure. Again, please let me know what do you think about it. thing I want to show you from this purchase is in this box. It's very beautiful shoe, and they're quite trendy right now, shoe with any kind of laces, and I really like them. I love the color, everything, but I think I did mistake with size, because this shoe came around a week ago, not today, so I had the time to try them on, wear them a little bit at home, and I would say the laces are not really these laces are quite soft and they don't kill your leg, but for me my mistake was the size. I bought 35. I think I'm supposed to buy 36, and here it's a bit narrow for me, but other than that, the heel is comfortable, laces are soft, and color. Oh my god, I love the color. Magically back to the clothes I was wearing in the beginning. Oh my god, it was quite exciting unboxing, and I really hope you liked this video because I had lots of fun shooting it. See you next time. Bye bye.